Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Maps showing the preview button instead of the start button. If you are trying to start navigation but Google Maps only shows preview, the issue is usually because your phone's location is turned off. So let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Now search for any destination and tap on directions. If you only see the preview button and cannot start navigation, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Now make sure location is turned on. Once location is enabled, go back to Google Maps. Search for the destination again and tap on directions. You should now see the start button instead of preview. Google Maps needs access to your current device location before it can begin turn-by-turn navigation. If your location is turned off, Google Maps may only show the preview option. This fix works on Android, and the steps are very similar on iPhone as well. So this is how you can fix Google Maps showing preview instead of start. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.